in this lecture of basic and fundamentals of mathematics. Welcome to all of you. स्टूडेंट लास्ट लेक्चर में हम एरिया ऑफ प्लेन दैट इज 2D फिगर देख रहे थे, जिसमें हम एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल जैसे कि राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, ऑब्लिक ट्रायंगल। जो ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल नहीं होता है उसे ऑब्लिक ट्रायंगल कहते हैं। आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल, इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल, then we discuss the area of quadrilaterals. In a quadrilateral, the sum of four angles is a 360 degree. Then we discuss the area of parallelogram. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम में हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया है कि in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal, parallel and equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonal bisect each other, perimeter equals to twice sum of non-parallel sides, area half area is side into height, that side on which the perpendicular drawn. Then area of triangle, area of parallelogram में और एक फॉर्मूला दिखा हमने, P1 P2 are length of altitudes on two adjacent side. ये AD और AB को हम adjacent side बोलते हैं। दो adjacent side में एक P1 और P2 दो height है, तो एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज P1 P2 अपॉन sin थीटा। ये भी फॉर्मूला है। नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द स्पेशल केसेस ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम। Special cases of parallelogram. Number one, rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. See here, ABCD is the rhombus. In which all the sides are equal. D1, D2 are Diagonals are not equal, but bisect each other at 90 degrees. Means this AC is perpendicular to BD. Rhombus, all sides are equal. And opposite angles are equal. All sides are equal and opposite angles are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that is equals to A. Angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles are equal, and angle B equal to angle D. Diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. D1 is not equals to D2, but bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. AC is not equals to BD, but AC is perpendicular to BD. Now, area of rhombus equals to yes, is there anybody? That is half D1 into D2. That is sum of areas of triangle ACD plus triangle ABC. Area of rhombus is equals to half D1 into D2. That is sum of areas of triangle ACD plus triangle ABC. Next one, the rectangle. Special cases of parallelogram में next parallelogram है rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose opposite sides are equal and parallel, and each angle is right angle. Diagonal are equal and bisect each other, but diagonals are not perpendicular to each other. This is a rectangle. See here, students. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonal bisect each other, but not perpendicular to each other. D1, D2. These are two diagonals. Now, the particulars of the rectangle are opposite side opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. All angles are 90 degree. Diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other, but not at 90 degree. Area of rectangle equals to product of non-parallel sides. Area of rectangle equals to product of non-parallel sides. And perimeter of rectangle is twice a plus b, twice the sum of non-parallel sides. This is about the area of rectangle. Next, square. Square में क्या होता है? All sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degree. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular bisectors of each other. Diagonals जो होते हैं, they are equal and perpendicular bisectors of each other. एक दूसरे को 90 डिग्री में इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं और बाइसेक्ट भी करते हैं. All sides are equal and all angles are equal. All sides equal and all angles are equal and they are 90 degrees. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular bisectors of each other. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular bisectors of each other. Diagonals are equal and perpendicular bisectors of each other. Area equals to side square or half the square of diagonal, that is d square by 2. Area of square is side square or half the square of diagonal. ABCD is a square. Each angle is right angle and diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other and diagonals are also equal. This is about a square. ये जो लेक्चर हमारा चल रहा है that is the basic and fundamentals of mathematics. इसमें three of plane that are triangle, circle, quadrilateral. These are the polygon also. These are the two-dimensional shape, 2D geometry. Two-dimensional means to express it, to sketch it, to draw it. Two-dimensional geometry, that is coordinate geometry, x-axis and y-axis, mutually perpendicular to each other, intersect each other at point O, that is origin. This is about the two-dimensional geometry, the area of plane. Now the next special cases of parallelogram. In this we discuss rhombus. Area of rhombus is half product of diagonals. Area of rectangle, product of non-parallel sides. Area of square, that is side square or half the diagonal square. Now the next is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which any two opposite sides are parallel. चार में से दो साइड पैरेलल होते हैं but not equal. Diagonal cuts in same proportional. Two side parallel होते हैं और two side intersecting होते हैं. This is the trapezium. Any two opposite sides are parallel. Any two opposite sides are parallel but not equal. Diagonal cuts in same proportional. Diagonal cuts in same proportional. AD is parallel to BC. AD is not equals to BC. D1 is not equals to D2. Area of trapezium half into sum of non-parallel sides into height h. This is about the trapezium. A, B, C, D. H is the height. BD and AC are diagonals. D1, D2. O is the point of intersection. A is the height of AE is the height of trapezium. A and B are two parallel sides. A and B are parallel sides, length of parallel sides. Now area of trapezium equals to half into sum of parallel sides into height. This is about the area of parallelogram. In this, the diagonals are proportional, means AO upon OC is equals to OD upon OB, because triangle BOC is similar to triangle DOA. Now we discuss about the area of polygon, that is pentagon, hexagon. पॉलीगॉन मीन्स क्वाड्रिलैटरल को अगर साइड चार साइड हो तो हम क्वाड्रिलैटरल कहते हैं, मोर देन 4 साइड्स हो तो हम उसको जनरली पॉलीगॉन कहते हैं. क्वाड्रिलैटरल is also a polygon having side 4, but a geometrical figure having 5 sides, 6 sides, then how will we calculate polygon? What do you mean by polygon? A plane figure enclosed by line segments that is sides of polygon. A n sides polygon have n sides. N sides polygon have n sides. Triangle and quadrilateral have polygon of 3 and 4 sides respectively. The polygons having 5 to 10 sides are called. अगर 3 sides है तो हम करते हैं ट्रायंगल, 4 sides है we call it as quadrilateral. Quadri means 4, lateral means side. 5 sides है we call it as पेंटागन, 6 sides है, we call it as hexagon. 7 sides है, we call it as heptagon. 8 sides है, we call it as octagon. 9 sides है, we call it as nanogon. 10 sides है, we call it as decagon. This is about the polygon. Now, regular polygon, ये n sided polygon है. Now we discuss about the regular polygon. Means applicable for all. Polygon which has all sides and angles are equal. जिस polygon को सभी साइड polygon which has all equal sides and equal angles can be inscribed in a circle whose center coincides with center of polygon. Therefore, the center is equidistant from its all vertices. Suppose a regular polygon